It's a fact of life, suicides on Toronto subway lines. Most people wouldn't consider that subject funny.
Poking fun of it is not the best path forward.
Enter the satirical Canadian website, The Beaverton, which also produces comedy on video.
The big story at spring training this year, geopolitics.
On Twitter Thursday, one of its staff posted this on the Beaverton website, an apparent jab at delays caused by subway suicides. Friends say man died doing what he loved, making thousands late on the subway.
The reason we make jokes about darker subject matter is because, if it's the old saying, if you don't laugh, you'll cry.
I thought it crossed the line. I didn't think it was dark. I didn't think it was, edgy. I thought it was wrong.
The TTC posted its own tweet about the Beaverton comment. Others chimed in too. The editor of the Beaverton says the satirical site was joking to relieve the pain of the death of one of their founders.
Who are responding to that through comedy.
Talking about suicide isn't easy for many people.
What we really want is to work on reducing the stigma attached to mental illness. It's very important for people to realize that if they suffer from any mental health crisis, that it's okay and they're welcome to talk about it.
But one person's humor is not necessarily funny to the next person.
I don't think it's a matter for getting upset and riled up.
People struggling with mental health or who lost someone themselves, they reached out and expressed that they didn't find it appropriate, so we took it down in response to them.
Suicide is a serious matter here, and it's something that we deal with on a regular basis, unfortunately.
Clinical psychologist Katy Kamkar says respect and openness is key when you're talking about mental health.
What kind of help that we can also provide for the person who does suffer from a mental health issue, and of course not to engage in any dismissive attitude.
Laughing about being late on the subway, not appropriate in the eyes of those who took offense with what is a serious issue in Toronto. Sean O'Shea, Global News.